good afternoon, girls. Yesterday I have sent you so many graphs and defined the 6 inverse trigonometric functions in their respective ranges in which they are bijective and invertible. Okay, so that is the range you have to, domain and range you have to remember. I have given in the last page. Okay, so now today let me start with the properties of inverse functions. Trigonometric functions. Properties. These are very important properties. That is the very first one I will write here. That is sine inverse of sine x is directly x if and only if x belongs to the interval minus 92 plus 90. Directly you can write, see, sine inverse of sine x means directly you can write x if and only if x belongs to this interval. Similarly, cos inverse of cos x is directly x if and only if x belongs to the interval that is 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Similarly, tan inverse of tan x is directly x if x belongs to the interval minus 92 plus 90. Similarly, cosec inverse of cosec x, if it is there, directly you can write x if x belongs to the interval minus 92 plus 90 except 0. Sec inverse of sec x is directly x if x is belonging to the interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay. Next, cot inverse. Cot inverse of cot x means direct answer you can write x if x belongs to interval 0 to pi. 0 to pi. So this is how directly we can write x. So these are the first type of properties. There are 2, 3, 4 types of properties. So in the first case, these are the things you have to follow. Okay. So coming to next, second type. You can wait. Then second type, sine of sine inverse x. Suppose it is like x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. Cos of cos inverse x is directly x. X belongs to again minus 1 to plus 1. Tan of tan inverse x is x if x is belonging to minus infinity to plus infinity or x is any real number. Similarly here, cosec of cosec inverse x is x if x belongs to all real numbers minus 1 to 1. Okay. Similarly, this x belongs to all real numbers minus 1 to 1. Sec of sec inverse x cot inverse x belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. So this you have to remember. These are the domains and ranges. Okay, these are the domains of inverse functions. So this is the second type.